Alright, so why are we all here? Okay, sabi ni John Maxwell, everything rises and falls on leadership. Do you agree? Everything rises and falls on leadership. Pag magaling yung team mo, magaling ang leader. Pag palpak ang team mo, magaling lang leader, palpak lang yung team. Hindi totoo yun, no? Oo. Maraming mga leaders ang nag-struggle, but they don't recognize the struggle because they blame. They blame, no? Magaling naman ako, hindi lang talaga magaling, hindi lang maayos yung mga tao ko. Pero sabi ni John Maxwell, everything rises and falls on leadership. So let's justify that. Una, supervisors are the most consistent influence in daily execution. Do you agree? Whatever you say, do, or don't do, shapes the culture of your team. Mahigpit ang supervisor ko, maluwag yung supervisor ko, walang pake supervisor ko, magulo ang supervisor ko. Lahat yun, may kinalaman, ano? Pagka sinabi mo sa mga tao mo, ganito ang gawin, hindi nila sinunod, tapos ikaw ang gumawa, that's culture. Yeah? Utos ko, gawa ko. That becomes a culture. Yung nirecognize mo kahapon, kinriticize mo ngayon, that confuses people, that stops them from being confident. That becomes part of the culture. Repeated issues are rarely technical alone. Ano sa tingin nyo ang number one reason why people get fired? Number one reason, is it knowledge, lack of knowledge, lack of skills, or poor attitude? Poor attitude. No? Poor attitude. Yung knowledge, madaling ituro. Yung skills, madaling ituro. Yung attitude, hindi nakukuha sa training yan. Okay? Saan ang gagaling ang attitude ng mga tao? Doon sa reaction nila on how they're being led. Do I care about my work? Why? Does my supervisor care about my work? Does my supervisor care about me? Ganun yan eh. No? So, yung consistency ninyo, yung pagiging predictable ng isang supervisor is key to team culture. No? Gaps in supervision can lead to late reporting, incomplete handoff, rework, delay, and weak escalation. May mga tao pa naman ayaw nag-escalate. Oo, kasi sa atin, pag nag-escalate ka, yung iba sasabihin, sino nagsumbong? Sino? Sumbongero to. Sip-sip to eh. Oo, stockholder siguro to. No? Ayan. So, we have to make it safe for people to speak up, di ba? Ayan. And then, stronger routines or consistency of routines improve safety, coordination, follow-through, and execution discipline. I was listening to the safety minute ni Abel, ano? Yung minsan, pag nagmamadali tayo, nako-compromise yung SOP, di ba? And often, the reason for that is because yung supervisor nagmamadali din. So, inaalaw ng supervisor na skip yung SOP. Bilisan nyo, baka mahuli tayo. Di ba? So, yun yung challenge. So, that's why we're all here. Okay? So, ang trabaho natin ay maging tulay between plans, priorities, safety, reliability, cost, coordination, and result. No? Yung daily team execution, clarity, people speaking up, reinforcement, and response.